With INNIO's optional exchange program, you can significantly increase your plant's availability. We supply you with re-up engines or re-up parts before you return your used ones to us. Our customers are often surprised that they can't tell the difference between our overhauled engines and our new engines, or our remanufactured parts and our new parts.
Of course, we apply fresh paint before packaging for transport, and everything remains protected until assembly at your site.
This is all possible because the experts at INNIO are part of the team who built your engine in the first place. INNIO Jenbacher Energy Solutions. Everywhere, every time.